Howdy, welcome to Easy Content Manager, a powerful alternative to ACF. With ECM, you can create custom post types, fields, and taxonomies that go far beyond the WordPress customizer. It also comes with a content manager and settings builder for advanced flexibility. In this video, how to install an active ECM, how to create custom post type, how to creating new file groups, how to create new taxonomies, how to inherit post types, ECM settings builder. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the plugins section from your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Easy Content Manager. Once it appears, click on the Install button. After the installation is complete, click on the Activate plugin button. Once activated, you'll notice a brand new menu added to your dashboard called Content Manager. And that's it. Easy Content Manager is now installed and ready to use. Click on Content Manager to start exploring. You'll find options for post types, taxonomies, field groups, and settings to customize everything easily. That's it. You've installed and activated Easy Content Manager on your WordPress site. On the creation page, you'll see many fields to fill out. For example, you'll need to provide a plural name for your post type. To help you get started quickly, Easy Content Manager also offers some presets like portfolio, projects, team members, recipes, jobs, clients, and listings. You can select one of these presets or create a new post type from scratch. There are also various settings and configurations available. If you turn on Advanced Configuration, even more settings will unlock, giving you full control. Under General Support Settings, you can enable different options for your editor, such as title, comments, and editor support. You can also add a description, configure labels, manage visibility, and set permissions. Another useful feature is the Field Group option, which lets you attach custom fields to your post type for more flexibility. When everything is set up, click on Add Post Type. This will add the new custom post type to your WordPress website. Once created, a new menu will appear in Easy Content Manager for your post type. Click on it, then choose Add Post Item or New Item. From here, you can start creating items for your new post type. Enter a title and description, then configure the necessary fields one by one. For example, you can upload an image, add a year, insert a link, and fill in any other custom fields you've set up. When you're done, click Save to publish the item. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a custom post type and add items using Easy Content Manager. Click on Create New Field Group to get started. This will open the field group creation page. First, give your field group a name. Then, choose the field type you want to use. Add a label for the input field, enter a field name, and if needed, set a default value. These details help structure your field group clearly. Scroll down to the Advanced Settings section. Here, you can customize location rules to define where the field group will appear. Once everything looks good, click on Save Field Group. After saving, head back to your dashboard. From the Field Groups menu, you'll see the new field group added to the list. You can edit, manage, or assign it to your post types and taxonomies anytime. To create a new taxonomies, click on Create New Taxonomies. This opens the Taxonomies creation page where you'll set up a new taxonomy to organize your content. Enter a singular label, like type, and a plural label, like types. Next, add a slug, for example, type, using lowercase letters, underscores, or dashes with a maximum of 32 characters. Then, select the post type where this taxonomy will be applied. Under Advanced Settings, you can choose to sort terms manually or set a default non-deletable term. Add a short description to make the taxonomy clear. On the sidebar, you can further customize labels, visibility, and permissions according to your needs. Once everything is set, click on Add Taxonomy. Your new taxonomy is now ready and will appear in the list. From the taxonomies list, you can edit, duplicate, or delete any taxonomy whenever needed. This gives you flexibility to organize your content efficiently. Click on it to open the settings page. Here, you'll see a list of available WordPress post types. By ticking the checkboxes, you can import these post types directly into Easy Content Manager. For example, select the checkboxes for posts and pages. Instantly, you'll notice that WordPress's default posts and pages are now available inside the Easy Content Manager menu. With this feature enabled, you can now manage your default WordPress posts and pages from the Easy Content Manager interface. This makes your workflow more streamlined since all your content, custom and default, is handled in one place. Go to Easy Content Manager, then click on Settings. Inside, you'll find the Settings Builder option. Click on it to get started. Once you're in the Settings Builder, click on the plus symbol, Add Settings button. Enter the required details, add a label, slug, and option name. Next, set the admin menu parent and choose a menu position number. Once done, click on Add. After creating your setting, add a route. Here, you'll need to provide a label, slug, an icon, and short description. When everything looks good, click on Add to save the route. Now navigate back to Field Groups. Edit any existing field group and add a new field. Choose a field type, set a label, and the field name will be generated automatically. If needed, you can also enter a default value. Once done, click on Close and Add Field. Scroll down to the Advanced Settings section. From here, select the settings and route you created earlier. Finally, click on the Update Field Groups button to save everything. Navigate back to your newly created setting in the WordPress admin menu. You'll see that your custom settings have been successfully added and are ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.